Building wellness and indoor air quality are two very important concerns for those responsible for any indoor space. From educational buildings to industrial complexes, from hospitals to hotels, carefully monitoring what the occupants of that space are breathing matters more than ever. KMC Controls has created a groundbreaking, patented solution that makes monitoring the indoor air quality easier and more accurate than ever before. It is called the KMC Airflow Measurement System, or AFMS. Building wellness and indoor air quality assurance are the current industry focus. Fresh air exchanges with conditioned outside air are a fundamental component of all major IAQ strategies. It can be difficult to balance high system performance and energy efficiency with other solutions, but superior accuracy is something you can depend on with every KMC AFMS. The KMC AFMS delivers accurate and repeatable supply, outside and return airflow measurements in nearly any type of equipment, from small packaged rooftop units to large built-up air handlers. The AFMS obtains those measurements without the traditionally expected mechanical limitations, performance issues, or ongoing maintenance challenges. Integrated fault detection and diagnostics facilitate compliance with standards and high-performance building sequences. Now on to a more detailed explanation of how the innovative KMC AFMS works. The airflow measurement system consists of the following components: the AFMS device, a supply air measurement, an inclinometer mounted on the damper blade, and temperature sensors for outside, return, and mixed air. The system measures outside and return airflow by characterized airflow performance. Characterized airflow performance uses an airflow characterization curve, similar to a pump curve, to measure the supply, outside, and return airflows moving through the equipment. The characterization curve may be automatically generated by the integrated Learn Mode sequence. During Learn Mode, the mixed air damper assembly is positioned at gradually through its full mechanical span, as measured by the inclinometer. At each position, sensor readings are allowed to stabilize before they are sampled and averaged. Leveraging temperature ratio equation, found in ASHRAE 111, these readings allow the AFMS to calculate the fraction of outside air that is delivered at each position. The results are recorded in the characterization table. After the table is obtained, the outside and return airflow rates are known from the characterization table and the supply airflow measurement. However, leaving the temperature sensors in place allows the AFMS to deliver a set of powerful, real-time fault detection and diagnostic capabilities, ensuring that you know if there are any issues with your building's mechanical system. By actively comparing the characterization data with live flow-by-temperature calculations, the AFMS can detect changes in the system's mechanical performance. This makes meeting ASHRAE Guideline 36 items possible, including establishing sustainable schema for economizers and demand control ventilation. Additional FDD related to sensor failures, damper position, or control mode faults are also available. Commonly, outside airflow measurement devices are installed in locations that aren't conducive to accurate measurements, such as inside hoods, too close to dampers, or near ductwork geometry that can cause turbulent conditions. Another common occurrence with traditional measurement devices is installation in unfiltered airstreams, causing measurement degradation over time and ongoing system maintenance requirements. The KMC AFMS senses airflow in the proper, filtered locations, with any sensors in the unfiltered airstream unaffected by dirt, moisture, and debris, meaning this solution upon installation requires very low maintenance. This leads to a lower cost of ownership. Lastly, for applications requiring more than one airflow measurement, multiple traditional devices would be applied. These measurements, even when calibrated, may not always capture the full airflow picture or agree with each other. This is something that you don't need to worry about with the KMC AFMS solution. You can rest easy knowing that you can trust the measurements being produced by this patented innovation. Unlike current airflow measurement technologies, the KMC AFMS can be applied to nearly all equipment types without restrictive installation requirements. The KMC AFMS is the best airflow measurement system for the money, delivering highly accurate and repeatable measurements, a solution enabling ASHRAE Guideline 36 sequences, automated field calibration, integrated fault detection and diagnostics, installation in nearly all equipment types, low maintenance, and lower cost of ownership. The KMC AFMS ensures that you know exactly what those inside your buildings are breathing, making the KMC AFMS the genius choice when seeking an airflow measurement solution.